Here I have 2 pounds of salt mackerel. So I will be making salt mackerel rundown with gully beans, otherwise known as susumba, turkeyberry, devil figs. Yes guys, so that is what I will be making today. I already boiled the salt mackerel and I already boiled the susumba. Stay tuned for the intro.
Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's kitchen.
Here I'm seasoning the bell peppers lightly, and you can use any season of your choice. I'm using a little bit of all-purpose here, black pepper, fish seasoning, onion powder. Here I'm adding 2 cups of coconut milk to the pot. Stir well, combining the coconut milk with the seasoning. Then cover the pot and allow the coconut milk to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. So it's been 3 minutes now, so it's time to check the pot. So here we go. This is what it looks like, and it is ready now for the salt mackerel. So I'm going to go ahead and add in the salt mackerel to the pot. I will be adding 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, pimento seeds, Maggi seasonal fish seasoning, a little pinch of black pepper, and a pinch of all-purpose seasoning. Cover the pot and allow it to cook down into a nice creamy thick sauce. Now it's time to check the pot. Wow, look at this guys, look at this delicious pot of salt mackerel rundown. It smells so delicious. The aroma up in the kitchen is beautiful. Remember to like the video, and if it's your first time here, subscribe to the channel, touch the notification bell to all so you will not miss out on my next upload. To all my supporters, thank you guys so much for your support, and to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. Susumbas has a lot of healing benefits such as protection from cancer. It is very good and useful for diabetes. It is good for diarrhea and indigestion issue. It also prevents you from cardiovascular diseases and strokes. It is also great for pain. Yes guys, why not put it in your food? Here I am going to be enjoying mine with some boiled dumpling, corn, banana, and pumpkin. Thank you once again for your support. Take care. Bye.
Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC, yeah. You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah, yeah, yeah.